Dear students, today we learn Standard 6 General Science lesson number 3. The name of lesson is Diversity in Living Thing and their Classification. Students, as you know, the geographical conditions at different places on the earth are very different. We find that living things exist in all these diverse conditions. When we live in a certain place, we adjust to the conditions there. Various types of living things have survived because of their ability to adjust themselves to the conditions in their surroundings. Now we have to learn the diversity in plants. As you know, various types of plants are found in many places around us. Some plants like grass are short, while others are tall and have a canopy. Some plants grow underwater, while some other float on water. We find that some plants grow even in the deserts. Moreover, we find that there is a lot of variety in the same type of plant. For example, there are different varieties of rice or wheat, different types of roses and mangoes of different flavors. Some plants grow even without stems, leaves, or roots. These are very different from ordinary plants. Let us study this diversity among the plants. First one is autotrophic plants. The plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll are called autotrophic plants. For example, the hibiscus, pomegranate and periwinkle. Second one is heterotrophic plants. Plants that cannot prepare their own food but use the food of other plants are called heterotrophic plants. For example, Loranthus and Dodder. Third one, insectivorous plants. Plants that consume insects are called insectivorous plants. For example, the pitcher plant and Drosera. Now student, why there is need for the classification of plants? Let us see. There is a tremendous diversity in the plants on the earth. Example in their shape, number of flowers, colors, fragrance, fruits, etc. is very diverse. Therefore, they should be placed properly in a certain groups. There is again need of classification for in order to identify the plant correctly, to understand the similarities and the differences between the plants. Now students, we have to learn the structure of a plant. Plant structure can generally be divided into two parts. The stem which grows above the ground and the root which grows below the ground surface. The root, stem and leaves are the main parts of plants. I am again repeating, the root, stem and leaves are the main parts of plants. From time to time, plants bear flowers for reproduction. Flowers are transformed into fruits. Fruits have seeds. Seed give rise to new plants. Figure given below shows the basic plant structure. That is the parts of a plant. The different parts of plants are root, stem, fruit, leaf and flower. Now we study all the parts in detail. The figure given below shows the structure of a plant. First one, the flower. This is the most attractive part of a plant. It is connected to the stem by a stalk which may be long or short. A flower has a typical color and shape. The flower is an important means of reproduction. With the help of flower, plants can reproduce. Second one, that is the stem. The height, shape and size of a plant depends upon the stem. The stem carries out the functions of production, conduction and storage of food. In some plants, it has the function of reproduction. It gives support to the other parts of the plant. Next one is a leaf. The leaf is a flat. It plays an important role in the production of food. Leaves are mainly of two types, simple and compound leaves. As this figure shows, the simple leaf of hibiscus and the compound leaf of rose flower. Next part of the plant, that is the fruits. Fruits have different shapes. Fruits contain one or more seeds. The pods of beans and peas are actually fruits. Now the main part of the plant, that is the root. Roots hold the soil firmly and anchor the plant. The main function of the root are to absorb and transport water and nutrients from the soil. The roots of the carrot and radish also store food. There are two types of roots, that is taproot and fibrous root. First figure shows the taproot. You can see the taproot in hibiscus flower, that is hibiscus plant and banyan tree. The second one is a fibrous root. As you know, onion and grass shows fibrous roots. Students, complete the given homework and send me the completed homework on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.